In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Miro to Zoom. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools, enhancing your collaboration experience. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by accessing your Miro dashboard. This is your central hub where all your boards and settings reside, so go ahead and open it up. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Apps or Integrations section. This is where Miro houses all its possible connections with other applications, so it's an important area to get familiar with. Now in this section, you'll find a search bar. Type in Zoom to locate the integration. Miro offers a wide range of integrations, but today, our focus is solely on linking it with Zoom. When you see Zoom pop up in the search results, click on it. This will lead you to an Install button. Click on Install to proceed with the integration setup. It's a straightforward process, and Miro does a great job of guiding you through each step. Next, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. This step is crucial because it authenticates your Zoom account with Miro, ensuring both systems work together seamlessly. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to approve permissions. These permissions are essential for Miro to access and use Zoom within your board. It might seem like an extra step, but it's all about ensuring your data remains secure while you use these integrated features. Once you've approved the necessary permissions, you're all set. When you return to your Miro board, you'll notice a shiny new feature, the Start Zoom Call option. This addition means you can now initiate Zoom calls directly from within your Miro boards. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to smoothly transition from collaboration on your boards to face-to-face discussions without missing a beat. As a tip, remember that integrating Miro with Zoom can significantly boost your productivity, especially if you're working in a remote or hybrid environment. It allows team members to jump straight into meetings from their workspace, reducing downtime and keeping momentum going strong. And that's the complete process. By connecting Miro to Zoom, you combine the versatility of Miro's virtual whiteboards with the efficiency of Zoom's video conferencing, creating a robust platform for collaboration. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident in linking these tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Miro's help resources or reach out to their support team for more detailed guidance. Enjoy creating and collaborating with your new, seamlessly integrated setup.